Pushkar Dandekar sir, welcoming you. In this video, we will study what are the important books are required to cover the history syllabus for MPSC through English medium. First, you have to study Maharashtra State Board. They are available from 6th to 12th through English medium also. Yes, they are very much important. You can't accept, you can't neglect it, or you can't avoid it, because many a times directly questions are asked from this Maharashtra State Board 6th to 12th. Okay, you can also skip some world history wala part, आप skip कर सकते हो. Second, you have to study NCERT books 6th to 12th. If you face some paucity of time, if you don't have some time, then you have to study some 11th or 12th history NCERT book. Third, you have to also study loosened book for ancient and medieval history for prelims perspective. Also, you have to study Maharashtra specific historical books, reference books. Famous author first कठारे सर और सेकंड गाठाल सर, आप दोनों में से एक पढ़ सकते हो.